Welcome to the thrilling realm of companion planting. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect plant partners for a more fruitful and healthier garden. Let's jump straight into our first segment, where we'll discuss the dynamic duo of rosemary and beans. Certain plants just do better in the company of others. Rosemary and beans are an excellent example. Their partnership is truly remarkable. Rosemary acts as a deterrent for bean beetles and other pests, while beans replenish the soil where rosemary thrives. Moving on to another perfect plant pair, let's take a look at tomatoes and basil. This classic duo is not only a favorite in the kitchen, but also in the garden. Basil, with its strong scent, helps to repel pests that are attracted to tomato plants, providing a natural shield. Moreover, some gardeners swear by the belief that the basil enhances the flavor of the tomatoes, making them more robust and flavorful. This pairing is a testament to the harmony that can be achieved with companion planting. Let's now explore a fascinating trio that's been a part of indigenous farming practices for centuries: the three sisters: corn, beans, and squash. Here's how it works. The tall corn stalks act as a natural trellis for the beans to climb, leveraging vertical space. In return, the beans, being legumes, fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it for the corn and squash. Lastly, the squash, with its broad leaves, sprawls across the ground, providing a living mulch that retains moisture and deters weed growth. This symbiotic relationship between the three plants is an excellent example of companion planting at its best. Moving on to another dynamic duo, carrots and onions. This pair works exceptionally well together, with each plant having a unique fragrance that protects the other. The strong aroma of onions effectively deters carrot flies, which can be a pesky problem for your carrot crops. Simultaneously, the distinct smell of carrots helps to keep onion flies at bay. It's a brilliant example of how companion planting can function as a natural pest control, reducing the need for chemical interventions. So when planning your next garden layout, remember to pair these two for a healthy, thriving crop. Next, let's explore an interesting trio: nasturtiums, dill, and fennel. This combination works wonders in your garden. Nasturtiums, with their vibrant flowers and lush foliage, do an excellent job of luring aphids away from the other plants. This acts as a sacrificial decoy, keeping your dill and fennel safe from these harmful pests. On the other hand, both dill and fennel are known to attract beneficial insects, which help to maintain a healthy balance in your garden ecosystem. So incorporating this trio into your garden not only adds a splash of color, but also enhances its overall health and productivity. Moving on, let's delve into a fascinating trifecta: radishes, rye, and buckwheat. This powerful trio can significantly improve your garden's soil structure and fertility. Radishes, with their sturdy roots, penetrate deep into the soil, breaking it up and improving its texture. This aids in better water absorption and provides room for other plant roots to grow. Rye, a fantastic cover crop, contributes to the soil's organic matter, enriching it and promoting soil health. Buckwheat, on the other hand, is a magnet for beneficial insects such as bees and other pollinators. So, planting these three together not only boosts your soil quality, but also bolsters your garden's overall ecosystem. As we transition from one plant combination to another, it's a perfect time to touch on a crucial gardening practice: crop rotation. This method, where different plant species are grown alternately in the same area, is a vital part of any garden. The primary benefit of crop rotation is the maintenance of soil fertility. Each plant type absorbs different nutrients and leaves behind others, thus ensuring a balanced nutrient profile in your soil over time. Moreover, crop rotation can help disrupt the life cycle of pests and diseases, offering a natural way to manage these common gardening issues. So, remember, a rotating roster of crops is a surefire way to keep your soil healthy and your garden thriving. Now let's move on to the next companion planting pair. Now consider sunflowers and cucumbers. Sunflowers act as a natural trellis for cucumbers, and cucumbers help to keep the soil moist and weed-free. And let's not forget dill and cabbage. Dill attracts beneficial insects that protect cabbages from pests. Lastly, fennel and almost every other plant are a big no-no, but it's a great companion for dill. Are you ready to team up your plants for better garden health? Have you used these combinations in the past? Comment your favorite combinations.